Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Love What You Do stamp set. I have an online class featuring this set, and I post videos like this one in the classroom for bonus inspiration. And I just want to say there's so much bonus videos with this online class that it's crazy. I'll put the registration link in the description bar below in case you're interested, for Canadians and the US. Anyway, I have a piece of Whisper White here, and I have inked up the largest, I guess that's the largest flower in the set, and I have stamped down on the top left and the bottom right, and I am using the brand new stitched nested label die cut from Whisper White. You can't get this product yet, but I thought it would be a good one to show you. I'm just showing you a technique here on this Monday class. It's a simple technique, and basically what I'm trying to show you is that you can make a sentiment the focal image or the focal piece of the card and have all of the stamps actually on the card itself, but your sentiment piece is going to be the focal image. And you can see what I'm doing here. I'm stamping and checking to see where my sentiment piece is going to go. So that could be just another rectangle, just another shape, a punched shape, a circle, a rectangle, whatever. And you can see that my stamped images, it looks like a mess. There's no rhyme or reason. But basically, I'm just creating a stamped border for my sentiment, and that's what's going to bring that sentiment sort of to the forefront. Now, I've sped this up really fast. I cannot color this fast, but again, for a Monday video, it is not necessarily too technique-y. It's just showing you some simple ways of designing a card. So I have used my favorite coloring medium, and these are blends markers, and I think they're really affordable actually. These are alcohol markers. You can see what I'm doing here. I cover the flower first in white, or in the light color, and go in with the dark, and then I flip back to the light, and then sometimes I actually go back and add a little bit of dark if I feel. So that was Bermuda Bay, and this one is Mango Melody. And I stamped that green solid leaf with Granny Apple Green. And I will go back and here color these berries with the Old Olive. Actually, I went with Old Olive on this one. So here's my sentiment. I am inking up with Granny Apple Green and going in with Bermuda Bay on the edge with a dauber. And you could probably just tap it into the ink pad if you don't have a dauber. I like to hold the inked stamp to the paper for a little bit longer when I use the dauber technique so that all the ink transfers. And now with dimensionals, I put that on my focal front piece, and you can see how that sentiment is now the focus. This is a tin tile embossed paper, so I ran it through the Big Shot with the tin tile. You don't have to. This could have just been a plain piece of Bermuda Bay with a matte of basic black. So I'm using a Whisper White card base, my bone folder to fold, and now I'm going to put the card, all the components together. So that's my matted piece. And then I'm not even going to use dimensionals on it. It doesn't need it. I'm going to put it straight on my card. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.